Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with your Healthy Living Tip of the Day. You know, you don't need a lot of equipment to get a good workout. In fact, all you need is your body. Let me show you a few moves in plank position that'll challenge your upper body, your lower body, and even your core. Start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart. It's important to keep your shoulder right over that wrist. Extend the legs back and just hold this position. If you need to, lower your knees to the ground. Work up to 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and then a minute. Once you get pretty good, lift those knees and start alternating knee to elbow. This is a great core move and really works those triceps too. Next, alternate knee across the body, opposite elbow to each side knee. You'll perform around 20 alternating repetitions. As you get stronger, move the knee to the outside and back. Think of it coming around. We like to call this move Spider-Man. As you get a little stronger, incorporate a push-up as you bring that knee up. Bend and push away. It's definitely a move that'll challenge your whole body. It's important to strength train. Even a few minutes every day goes a long way. I'm Andrea Metcalf with your Healthy Living Tip of the Day. Be healthy and be moved.